Hello, friends. Welcome to this journey called Life of Happiness. I am Amit Agrawal, and those of you who are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon below. When we talk about happiness, basically what we understand is the pleasure of mind, the pleasure of soul. So, how do we get it, and how do we ensure that our happiness is long lasting and everlasting? For this, there are three basic principles of life. I would like to convey a short story so that these three principles become very clear to you. There was this bird in a jungle, and a very beautiful bird. There happened a boy who was just passing through that place. He saw this beautiful bird and he instantly felt like having that bird. He slowly tiptoed over there behind the bird and caught hold of her. Now, as things would have it, the bird suddenly spoke in the human voice, and she said that please let me go, and I will give you three such important gems with which you will become very successful in life. The boy thought for a moment that whether I should give it a try or whether I should not let the bird go. Finally, he said, okay, let the bird go. The bird told him, I will give you the first jewel when I will be at the lowermost branch of the tree. The second jewel I will give you when I am on the middle branch of the tree. And the third jewel I will give you when I am at the topmost branch of the tree. Having said this, the boy left the bird loose. This bird went to the lowermost branch. When she went there, she said, these three jewels are in the form of three advices which I am going to give to you. And if you follow these three advices meticulously, you will ensure that you get success. She said, first thing, never ever repent on the past. Never repent on what mistakes you have done in life. Forget it and move forward. Then she flew from the lowermost branch to the middle branch. When she reached the middle branch, she said, anything which does not appeal to your common sense and which does not have a proof, never believe on any such thing. Try to use your logic, try to use your brain. If you have the proof, then only believe on it, otherwise just forget it. Having said this, from the middle branch, she went to the topmost branch. Now this boy was eagerly waiting, okay, what is the third advice? He told the bird, yes, what is the third advice? The bird suddenly started laughing. She said, you are a fool. You are a fool that you left me. Actually, in my breast, there are two very, very costly diamonds which are there from my birth. And had you not left me, you would have killed me. Those two diamonds would have made you rich for your entire life. You did not have to work at all. But now, since you are a fool, you left me, and now I am a free bird, I am going. Now, when this boy heard such statements from this bird, he felt very angry, very humiliated, and very sad. He said, oh God, what I have done. I have missed the once in a lifetime opportunity. I should have killed that bird. I should have not believed on that bird. It's so foolish of me. He felt a big pain inside. Then he told the bird, okay, I am a fool. I left you. But at least give me that third advice which is there. At least that may reduce some of my pain. The bird said, what's the use? When the first two jewels which I gave you, you just wasted them just now. I told you that never repent on the mistakes of your past, and see what you're doing. You are repenting on a mistake. Just now I told you. I told you that never believe on anything which you don't feel, which is logically correct, which doesn't appeal to your senses, unless and until you have a proof of it. How do you believe on me that I am having two important diamonds inside me? Such a small bird, how can I have diamonds inside me? And who will put these diamonds inside me? Have you ever heard of a bird having diamonds? And still you're believing on me and you're repenting even without having a proof. So you have wasted the two jewels which I told you just now, which I gave you just now. Why should I give you the third one? The boy said, no, please give me the third advice also. I want to know. She said, okay, never ask for more unless and until you have absorbed what you already have, unless and until what you are having, you have actually used it and to the full capacity of it. Never ask for more unless and until you have taken the full advantage of what you are already having. Having said this, the bird flew away. Now, don't we think that this is very correct? We always keep on bragging, we always keep on lamenting on the mistakes of our past. Oh God, I should have not done this. Oh God, I should have not done that. Rather than focusing on the future, rather than be forward looking, we always try to pacify ourselves, and always try to blame ourselves that yes, I should have done this. Oh, I should have done that. I would have been here, I would have been there. Rather than leave it, learn from the mistakes and move forward. Never ever believe on something which is not appealing to your senses. If somebody comes and says, suppose if your best friend comes and says that yeah, the third person was saying so and so thing about you, don't we start feeling jealous about the third person just because our best friend is saying? Have you ever asked our best friend, okay, let the third person say whatever he wants to say? What did you tell him then? How did you save my image? What counter argument did you give? You are my best friend. Instead of coming and telling me about the third person, what did you tell the third person about me from my side? That is what it is. And thirdly, we always try to achieve more. We always say that okay, we are never contented. We are always demanding for more. I want more money. I want more degrees. Today I am 10th, I want to be 12th. Today I am 12th, I want to be graduate. I am graduate, I want to be postgraduate. But ultimately, what are you doing with your knowledge? That is more important. As this thing says that, makeup and knowledge are very similar, because both are good only when they are applied properly. If you don't apply makeup properly, you will look ugly, horrible. And if you don't use your knowledge, if you don't apply your knowledge, what is the use of the knowledge? It's like, a person having lot of knowledge sitting, a literate person sitting in a library and not using his knowledge. That person is like an illiterate. So request to you guys that always follow these three advices, follow these three gems in your life, and stay happy and stay blessed. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon if you like. Thank you so much. See you again soon.